Good evening, YouTube. So in this video, what we're going to be doing is taking a look at this Black & Decker. Let's see, Black & Decker 12 volt DC rechargeable weed whacker. What I imagine to find on the inside is really not a whole hell of a lot. We will have a bunch of batteries in there, and a little switching mechanism, and a cable, a couple wires that'll run down to our motor right in there, and then the weed whacking half of it. Not so much interested in the motor as I am in the battery pack, but we'll burn up the motor as well. But objective of this video is to do some really bad things with... Come on, are you... Really? You can't focus? Dude, what? Come on, man. You're gonna fuck up this whole... Alright, sort out that focusing issue there. Anyway, let's get this thing split apart and see what's on the inside. Alright, now we're in. Oh, that's not what I was expecting, actually. I was expecting a bunch of individual lithium cells. That kind of puts a snag into my plan. Let's get the rest of this apart. Get a little jump cut here. Okay, so now we've got it down to the basic components. Everything has been removed from the weed whacker itself, and really there's not a whole lot to it. Power switch right here, which was connected to the handle, and you just have your two leads going off to the motor itself. And then these thinner wires are our charging circuit. A little 12 volt DC plug there. Freaking cigarette smoke. And then just an LED with a diode and a resistor on there. Just to show that it's charging. Nothing else on there but the diode and resistor. And anyway, you got hot going into the switch, waiting for the switch to go in, which then sends it down to our motor, which is disgusting, by the way. But when we push our switch, she's got a little bit of bite to her. Whoa! So, we get any ratings on this motor? Any information plate? Nothing at all. Well, anyway, we know this motor is designed to run off of 12 volts DC. Where's the fun in that? Well, let's give it some more power, shall we? I want flames. Want flames. I want flames. Ugh. Smoke's going right in my face. Cook it. Absolute destruction. I don't care about the transformer. Fry this thing. Oh, their old transformer's going. We're blowing out the primary. Oh boy. Oh boy. The transformer itself is on fire. It's still going. It's still going. When should I shut it off? Ugh. Smoke's going right in my face. Cook it. Absolute destruction. I don't care about the transformer. Fry this thing. Oh, their old transformer's going. We're blowing out the primary. Oh boy. Oh boy. The transformer itself is on fire. It's still going. It's still going. When should I shut it off? It's still... She's still going. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at those wires just glowing bright red. Oh, she's gonna fizz out any second. Ooh, that stinks, man. How long is she gonna go? I cannot believe it's still running. How long can this run? Some really cool. The phone doesn't do it justice. I'm getting all kinds of blues and greens from the copper. Come on, primary. Will you flash over already? Well, it looks like I destroyed something tonight, but it wasn't the motor I was planning on. It's the transformer itself. I'm nuking the wires on that side as well. Absolutely toasty. But it's somehow it's still running. I cannot believe it that this thing still runs. Cooked. Alright, well, this didn't go as planned, but at least we got some destruction out of it. So I think we'll change the title of the video to Transformer Overload or something along those lines. Alright, well, I don't think this is going to get any more exciting, so I'll turn it off and get some water on it and get to uploading. Alright guys, good to see you again. Feels good to be back. Let's destroy some more electronics. Take care.